Okay, so we are now down to our last part of our day two workshop, which is the LinkedIn optimization profile. Okay, so LinkedIn as well, we can look for VA companies and also direct clients that posted job ads in LinkedIn. So if you don't have any account pa po in LinkedIn, we can create now and optimize it using Luna. All right. So at work, we are already done here. So for LinkedIn po, the website or the link is just linkedin.com. Okay. All right. So I already have like an account in LinkedIn, but the same as online jobs at PH po. Hindi pa po 'to kumpleto para at least man lang makita niyo po kung paano ko po 'to ikokompleto. So, wait lang po, Ayun. So, if ever po wala pa po kayong, account dito, sign out ko na lang po muna. Okay. So, just join now. Tapos, if wala ka pa pong ayun, just sign in through your Google account, or you can just have create an email and also your passport. So if ever na po na meron na kayong account, you will gonna like this one lang po. Ayun. So meron na kayong account sa LinkedIn, pero wala pa pong proof, mga details po dito. So let's talk Luna, or let's ask a help from Luna. Let's have a new chat again, since that we will be having like a link in optimization. So let's just click that button. And Luna, yan, sabi niya na, please share your resume again na naman daw. Or just a short summary of our work experience, tools, and type of VA. So sa akin, resume na lang. Hindi na ako ano pa kay Luna kasi nire-review naman niya lahat yan eh. So again po yung resume niyo po ha, please include tools kasi binabasa po nila yan na yung mga tools mo. Ayun, so ipang-iba po siya kaysa sa online job sa PH kasi para siyang resume mo. Inad niya yung mga experiences mo, yung andun talaga sa resume mo. So let's see po. First po is dito po is a banner. Para po siyang cover photo ng Facebook. If you don't have this one po, you can actually check with Canva um, for templates. Tapos, eto, search mo na lang po LinkedIn banner. Tapos, ayan. So, nakikita na po. Yung banner lang po is just like, this just simple lang po. Hindi na po talaga crucial yung mga designs. You can actually just use this format. Tapos, yung headline mo or your niche mo. Tapos, yung email address mo tsaka yung name. So, let's just use this one lang po. Just to have like a banner. So, ito po yung Pinoy VA. For example po, ito po yung name ko. Ayun. Ang laki niya. Ito, different font ko na lang para hindi siya masyadong ang laki niya. Kasi Ang laki ng name din. Adjust nyo na lang. Ayun. Basta at least man na nakikita naman din yan eh. For me lang po talaga, just simple lang po talaga. Wag na kayong ano pa, mag-take time pa nito. Tapos, ito headline. Yung headline nyo sa resume will do. Or just check Luna if ano po yung suggestion niya. Eto, may headline din siya. So, kung ano yung headline ninyo doon sa LinkedIn, you can just also add that one to your banner as well. So, kung hindi talaga siya kasha, yeah, adjust mo na lang yung size. Tapos, yung email address mo, ito yung email address namin. Pinoy, ay hindi, support at pinoyvjobhiring.com. Yan. So, if I'm good na with this, kung gusto mo lang i-move pa masyado dito, ayan. Download nyo lang. This is free po ha. So, this, start your trial. Ayun. Hindi po ako nakapag-subscribe dito. So, once you have the banner, you can actually upload that one here. Add cover, image, tapos upload. Ayun, meron na. So, adjust mo na lang if you want to zoom in, zoom out, or mga ganyan, ganito, ganyan. Saan na yun? Dapat straight lang to. Ayun. Ako eh. Apply. So, meron na kayong banner. As simple as that. Like, just a minute or two. Now, once, di ba meron na po tayong profile photo, you can actually just upload that one. Yun. From Gemini. Yan, adjust nyo na lang po. Save photo. Okay, dito, let's see lang po ha. Ito. Dito na yung sinasabi ni Luna na yung mga suggestion niya ilalagay po natin dito. First is your first name, your last name. Meron pa po ba kayong additional name? Pronouns if you are, yeah, she or her, he or him, they or them. It's more like a company po ata to, or custom. So, this is a girl. Tapos, itong headline, ito yung sabi ni Luna. Ito na headline na to. Copy-paste na naman. Yeah, just double check po ha before you gonna send it to your LinkedIn profile. Yeah, check nyo lang po ha. Yung mga M-dash, ano mo na lang to ng comma. Ayun. So, add current position is, let's check po how this is your current position, like your latest position po. Bakit wala siyang ano? Please select. Add new position. So, add new position na employment type. Kung full-time po ba kayo nun? Sample kasi ito eh, company name na lang. Pero if you have like company names po, you can actually just add the company name itself. Since this is just a sample po, yeah, company name na lang po yung ilalagay ko. So if you're currently working, you just gonna click check. Tapos ano yung start date mo with them. But if ever po resign na po kayo, meron po siyang end date dito. So, dito is nag-resign na siya, September 2025 siya. End date niya, September 2025. Start date niya po is May 2025. Okay, good. Location, if ever po US-based client po to, just US, if ever po. Philippines po ito, just click Philippines. Location type on-site means po na nasa company po kayo nag-work. Hybrid po is, wag na lang po muna tong hybrid. Remote is work from home. Hybrid is a combination of on-site and remote. Like for every month po, meron pong times po na nagwo-work kayo sa company site and meron pong times na nagwo-work kayo work from home. That is a hybrid. Okay, so for example po, this is a virtual assistant, that is a remote po. Description, this is the list of tasks that you did. So just copy paste that one po. All right, so where did you find this job? Kung naalala nyo pa po. Kung if ever wala na, um, yeah, just click anything na lang ata. Hindi naman yan necessary. So, skills. Meron ba siyang skills dito? Walang skills. So, yeah, anong skills mo dito as an admin social? Just do admin. Ay, okay. Results not found pa po. Mamaya na lang po tayo dito. Okay, add media like images, documents, sites, or presentation. Pero pwede naman din po ito wala na. Ayun. Next, showcase your expertise by adding relevant skills. So, admin, office, ano pa? Kasi wala ditong skills. What are my skills? Just ask na lang, what are skills? What are my skills? Naintindihan nyo yan. Yan. Diba? Kahit wrong grammar po tayo or wrong spelling, naintindihan po talaga yan ni AI. Add skills. Ayan, nag-a-add naman din pala. So, yan. No thanks. Saan na yun? Bakit nawala? Ay, hindi pala. Current position. Add new position. So, add ka lang po talaga ng mga positions if you have like a lot of positions na po. Education is, yun, your school, like halimbawa, University of something like that. Tapos ano yung degree, field of studies, um, end date, or if you're undergraduate po, your expected year. Grade, not necessary. I think this is optional lang po. Tapos activities and societies, descriptions. So add skills, find more. Okay, no thanks. Discard. So ayan. Um, Ayan, add profile section. Ano pa ba? Activity, create a post. Parang siyang Facebook din, like you want to create a post about something about your experiences. Yung LinkedIn po kasi it's more about your working experiences, your career, your professional po. Don't put it as a personal account. Like parang nag-aano ka na ng mga personal like FB na po. LinkedIn is more like formal po. Kasi ang dami po mga clients andito. Okay, so if you add more about your experience, just add po or just edit that one po. Okay? Ayun, for education, as I said po, add education. For skills po, as what Luna said, you can just actually just add this top skills. Okay? Interest. Ayan. So once you're done now with the optimization, wait lang po ha. Kasi 'di ko siya na-save pala. 'Di ba sabi ko meron 'tong headline, hindi siya na-save. Yeah, just make sure lang po na na-save po siya, hindi ko na na-save po lahat. Okay, alright. Okay. So meron pa mga ad profile section like ad about, education, mga ad skills, courses, projects na ginawa mo, licenses and certifications. You can actually add that one as well. You can add the certification here and also the name, the organization, and issue the date of that training, that certification, and all. Okay, so once you are done with the optimization of your profile, you can direct it to the jobs. So, ayun. So, ito pong LinkedIn po to, yung mga andito po na mga job posts is more specifically related to the experiences and skills you have. So, that is why hindi po ako makakapag-share ng job post po from LinkedIn kasi nga po yung LinkedIn ko related lang po talaga yun sa HR admin. So, yan lang po talagang share ko, which is not all of us have the same like skills and experiences. But if you already have LinkedIn na po, you can actually just click jobs, the icon of this like portfolio bag, mga ganyan. Tapos, it will be directly or automatic po talaga yan na based on your profile na po to. But if you want like another skills po, you can actually add like IT. Let's check po ha. Ayun, meron po pala talaga. Meron po. But LinkedIn is really good po kasi na-check niya po yung profile niyo po. Tapos, yung mare-reflect po muna is based on your experiences para 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo kahapon, kung ano po talagang yung niche mo, yung skills mo, yung experiences mo, focus on that kasi yan yung strength mo. Yan yung strength mo. Especially if you are beginner VA, please focus first on your niche. So if you already are a VA and if you want to upskill more, then that's the time that you can check what are the VA roles that you want. For example, wala kang niche sa Shopify, gusto mo yung ganun kasi online seller ka dati, you want to learn more about this. So, mag-training ka nun, mag-upskill ka para madami po mga clients na uh, maglo-look po sa inyo with any other roles kasi nga may experience ka na. Okay, so check po about the job post nila. Nakikita ko po kasi mga BPOs, mga VA companies, mga yung iba nga po, yeah, mga VA companies po talaga dito. Yung direct client po talaga, di ko po siya masyadong makikita po dito kasi nga po parang natatabunan na siya dito sa lahat ng mga VA companies na nagpo-post. Ang recommended po ko po talaga is online jobs at PH and Upwork. Madami po talaga mga ano doon. Pero meron po talaga din may nakikita dito na direct client. Ang ginawa po kasi nila is um, eto. Ang ginawa nila is, wait lang ha, paano ba yun? Like, clear all lang po muna ha. Inaano ko kung paano nila. Kailangan kasi ng ano ganito para mag-subscribe ka, 9,000 pesos per month po to. 9 or 10,000 per month. So, napakalaki po para makita nyo po. Hindi, Recruiter Lite kasi ito eh. Meron yung Sales Navigator para makita nyo po yung lahat ng mga clients all over the world para you can reach out to them. Kasi nga, if wala ka pong connection sa kanila, hindi ka po makakapag-message sa kanila. So, meron po Sales Navigator. Ito, try premium. Meron yan eh. Land the right job, landing, stand out against. Ayun, sabi ko. Ayun, Sales Navigator. Makakapag meron mga new leads or clients from other abroad na makakapag-reach out ka sa kanila to check that they are looking for a VA, mga ganyan. So that is why they can look for direct clients using this po. To learn more, ayan. 4,000 lang pala. Baka iba yun, Recruiter Lite. Check ko nga. Recruiter Lite pala yung sinasabi ko, mga ano, kala ko 9,000. Pero malaki pa rin. Like 5,000 per month po, pero meron po silang 1 month free trial. Yung pwede nyo pong gawin is, you can try 1 month, tapos, yeah, mag-a-ask sila ng mga debit or credit card nyo. Tapos, once you are done with that, please don't forget or cancel agad-agad para pagka 1 month mo, hindi na sila mag-charge sa debit or credit mo. Kasi 5,000 is big na po kasi. Kung ako niyan, wala din akong budget. Like 50 lang po ha, 50 lang po na in-mail credits. Like 50 messages lang po per month yung pwede nyo lang pong masend sa mga clients. And 50 is per month po yan, hindi per day. 50 is so much, maliit lang po yan sa akin. Yung iba kasi naman clients hindi nagre-reply. So, sayang naman din. Parang nasasayangan lang ako sa pera. But if you have a lot of investments, a lot of financial something budget po, you can actually have that kind of subscribe po. Tapos, if ever po ha, new po kayo, connect lang po kayo sa mga HR. Yan, ibig sabihin po niyan, meron po yung mga, suggest ko po ha, mga HR. Yeah, kasi magpo-post yan eh. Magpo-post yan ng mga hiring dito sa LinkedIn para hindi po kayo dito lang sa jobs kayo maghahanap. Pag makita niyo po sa LinkedIn yung mga HR na finalo nyo, makikita po dito. Tapos apply kayo agad. So, yan lang po. That is how you send your application, both LinkedIn, Upwork, and Online Jobs at PH. So, from Monday to Thursday po, we will be having like sending application momentum. So, as what I said po, let me check. As what I said po ha na ayun, tapos na kasi tayo nito eh. Tapos na tayo nito kasi, yun nga, iniisa-isa ko to. Like online jobs, paano mag-search ng VA job, paano mag-send ng application para tapos agad. So, that is only 2 hours lang po. Thank you so much. As what I said po, Monday to Thursday will be our sending of application momentum. So, if you have already account or if you don't have any account pa po sa account sa Upwork, LinkedIn, and online jobs, please create now. But since that today, typhoon pa kasi, tapos baka may mga affected pa kayo sa typhoon, I can actually just follow up with you tomorrow, starting tomorrow. Um, kung ano na yung status ng job toolkit new and also this profile if nakagawa na kayo ng online jobs at PH, um, LinkedIn, and Upwork. So, Monday to Thursday po, please send application at least 5 to 10 applications per day po. Per day na po yan ha. It means po, if 5 applications per day po kayo, makakapag-send na po kayo ng 150 applications in a month. So imagine 150 applications. So if ever 10 applications per day, that is 300 applications per month po. So ginawa ko po tong application momentum para para po siyang maging happy niyo po. Kasi nga, ang busy na natin po sa life natin. At least parang everyday, magre-remind ako sa inyo na mag-send kayo ng application ngayon kahit 1 hour. Since that you already have VA Job Toolkit, since that you already optimize your profile, madali na lang po talaga yan magsisend ng application. Parang less than an hour, nakapag-send ka na ng 5 to 10 applications. Okay? So that's just it lang po. If you have any questions along the run, please list down all the questions and submit that one through my Facebook page po. You can actually send that questions directly to my page and also through my email. Since that it's already 10 p.m. na po, I can actually respond that one tomorrow. Yan. So, thank you po. I'll going to send this video po for your reference po. Okay? So, have a great day. Bye for now.